Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming battery level is at least 50% and Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Next, inspect the right bud and cable for debris or frayed wires, because physical faults mimic software issues. Once done, forget the Bullets Wireless Z in your phone's Bluetooth list and power cycle the headset for about 10 seconds to force a clean reconnection state. These steps clear common pairing and power glitches before deeper troubleshooting. You now diagnose whether the problem is mechanical, electrical, or software. Swap the left and right buds on the cable or use the inline controls to isolate the driver. If the right side still fails when roles swap, the bud is faulty. Try pairing to a second phone or a laptop to rule out device-specific codecs. If the hardware appears okay, update firmware or perform a soft reset. This can restore audio routing and fix corrupted profiles without opening the unit. You finish by addressing the confirmed fault. If the right driver or cable assembly is defective and you can solder, open the seam carefully and inspect ribbon cables and solder joints. Make the repair with replacements matching model specs, then reassemble and test at low volume. If you are not confident, stop and contact authorized repair or use warranty service, because improper repair risks more damage. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent audio persists, wiggle test connections while playing audio to pinpoint a loose joint.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.